Okay, guys. So let's talk about crystals. Okay. What is my relationship to crystals? I don't really know, guys. I feel like it's quite weird on how I feel with crystals. I don't know. Am I the only one? I know the energy healers, they can feel the crystals, but for me, it's like it's not only I can feel them, but I can taste them. But they have all the same taste. Okay, so I guess it's a distinctive properties of crystals, maybe. Like I haven't tasted anything different because all of them have the same taste. Okay, right now I'm wearing pyrite. Uh, I haven't set an intention for this. Okay, give me good, I don't know, money flow today. See, I don't really affirm anything because, like, I don't know. It's just my nature. I I don't know. It's just like I don't really like to affirm anything or wish anything. I'm the only one. So this is the life of, being local, you know, I don't know. Need to be enjoying the time of my life. I'm commuting right now, riding, guys, little trikes. My husband is sick, really. Well, I know why he's sick. Nakasawa siya na, ano, mabisa ang karma. Kasi energy to energy eh. Tapos yung anak ko, sinasabihan ko na, I talked to my son and I asked him, can you help daddy, He needs to learn daw. Even my son, even though he's awakened, but if he really do something bad towards me, like disrespectful, oh my gosh, the boomerang, guys, he saw it. That's why my son right now, he's afraid of me. Especially, I would say, I will ask Papa God, the tears in my son's eye. Kaya please, I don't know what I have, what I carry. Well, I know what I have, what I carry, but it's just like, what will be your karma would looks like on you. So be mindful of your words towards me. Be kind and I will be kind. Let's be friends. Friends with no benefits. Di ba? Ang aga-aga natin sa mall. Madilim pa. It's very, very, pa siya, very dark. Okay, so they're still sitting up. See? It's still closed, guys. Waiting for Chowking to open. Okay, so while waiting, I just have to sit down here first. Okay, in a corner and let's chica. Oh, regarding about the crystals, you guys, I'm wearing pyrite right now, right? So pyrite, what gives you abundance and any other properties also there are benefits, but I don't know. When I bought it, it's just like a nudge from from the Most High. Buy this like that, like, and I don't even know the properties so much. Okay, but eventually I will because I feel like I have a connection with the crystal, so I will do that. What is my connection with the crystal? Okay, so I can taste them, I can feel the energy. If it's let's just say, all I can say is if the crystal is fake or not. That's all I can say. Because I get overwhelmed. So right now I carry like 4 crystals or 5. I got selenite, I got amethyst, tourmaline in my body, citrine, and then pyrite. Now I'm overwhelmed, so I can only like be around with crystals. Oh, see, confirmation. Three, at least 3 crystals. Over than more than that, I get overwhelmed. Like These Reiki healers that I saw, I mean, I love the Reiki healers. I don't know you guys, but I love them so much. They really played a big part of my journey. Because in the first month of my journey, um, okay, wait. So the first month of my journey, um, the medicine I'm taking for headaches and fever is not really working. And then I have on and off throbbing in my third eye. And then though I already healed from my fever, so I stopped taking medicine. And the only way to make me feel better for my 1 month during my awakening is Reiki healers. I will post this guy right here. Whoever you are, I don't know your name, but you really played a big role in my awakening. When I don't know nothing about energies, something that can make me feel better, and you appeared in my FYP. So yeah, your energy healing is really good for me. It make me feel better, and even up to now, you're still popping up here and there once in a while in my page, and also other Reiki healers. Yeah, I don't know. I love Reiki healers. It make me feel so much better with my energy field. And if I don't want to cleanse myself, I will just look at them. And the universe will just give me those healers that I need. It would really matches. It would really synchronize what I feel and what I need. So just trust that, okay? So for me, I trust the crystals that would help me, and they will just appear really in my feed, like the Reiki healers will appear. That's it. Bye.